In this example, I'm going to connect my Facebook and Instagram pages to my account and then create a simple display showing the live information from those pages. So the live number of Facebook likes and live number of Instagram followers. So let's go to my account. I already have one set up here. Connect your Facebook and Instagram pages. I'm already logged into my Facebook account here, but if you're not, you would just log in here. And then once you're logged in, we grab all the pages that you manage, all the business pages that you manage. And here's a quick little note. Make sure your Instagram, the Instagram business page is connected to the Facebook page. And if you do not know how to do that or it's not set up, you can click this link to learn more and figure out how to get that set up. Now for this page, the Instagram account is connected. So now I'm good to go. I've got the information coming in from Facebook and Instagram. So I'm ready to set up my display. And then I should mention here, Google My Business is very, very similar. You log into your Google account and then it'll show the pages, the Google My Business pages that you manage, and then you select it and you can show the number of reviews and average rating for that page. But today I'm just going to go through Facebook and Instagram because it's very similar. All right, create my first display. I'm just going to name it Demo Display. Normally you would have more of a descriptive name. For example, if it's for a restaurant, you may call it Front Bar Display, or if it's for an apartment complex, you may call it Front Lobby, but this is just a demo, so we're going to call it Demo. And then I will go over advertisements in a later video, but today we're just going to create a simple display. This is where you edit the slides, and this is where you would show it live once you're all finished. So we're going to edit. Okay, so to go over some of the controls here, the information. This is the slide that you're on, and this is the total number of slides. You can have as many slides as you want on your display. Here's to add a new one, and then go back and forth between your slides. And right here, this is how long the slide is shown before transitioning to the next slide, if there are more than one. For our example, let's just go with 10 seconds, because at the end of it, I'm going to show you the actual display in production. And just to, for time's sake, let's do 10 seconds. Okay, so right here, I'm actually selecting a picture. You can't see it because it's a pop-up, but let's get a good picture in here. Okay. Now to go over some of these controls, this is just like I just did, the background picture. Then this is to add a smaller picture on the display. I'll add one of those later. This is just any shape and color. Do that if you want. I'm just going to delete that. And then text, which I'm going to use here. So what I'm going to do is make a display with two slides. One slide is going to be for Facebook, enticing people to like the Facebook page. Then the next slide will be enticing people to follow the Instagram page. So let's tell them to like the Facebook page. Now, once you create a component for text, I can edit the font. Let's go cursive. And then if you want to edit the text, that's what we'll do in a second. The color, background color, and then border, shadow, and border radius. Okay, first things first, let's like us on Facebook. It's a little bit easier to see. The alpha there. Radius and shadow. Okay. Now we went over those components. Now these, here's here are the QR codes that that we currently have. When I connected the Facebook and Instagram pages, excuse me, there were some QR codes that were automatically generated. So what was automatically generated were a QR code that when scanned will lead right to the Facebook page. So people can easily like the Facebook page. There's also one where it leads to reviewing the business on Facebook, and then also going directly to the Instagram page so they can follow it. So for this one, we're going to do Facebook. So select that, and then also I should mention you can create your own QR codes. So for example, if you are running a special and you want to lead people to a page on your business's website, you could put the URL there and then just name it so it's easier to find for you. And then you can add that to your display. And when scanned with any phone's default camera app, it would lead people to that page. So we're going to do Facebook for this one. So this QR code, when scanned, will lead to their Facebook page, the Facebook page that I connected. It's a little easier to see. Okay. Now here's the cool part. So when we connected those earlier, now we can add that information. These are the live number of Facebook likes for the page that I connected. So just to go over it quickly again, when I scan this QR code, it goes to the Facebook pages that I connected. And then when someone were to like the Facebook page, this would be updated in real time. All right, so that slide's done. Now let's add one for Instagram. Select the background quickly. Perfect. Follow us on Instagram. Great. Okay, and let's just keep this one blank. Now, very similar to the last one, this one's for Instagram. It's kind of hard to see. It's better. Okay. So then add the number of followers. All right. Cool. Let's make this 10 seconds too. You can delete the slide if you want to do it here, but we're not going to do that. All right, so our simple display is now set up and ready to go. So let's save it. Now let's go back to our home page. Now at this point, normally what you would do, I mentioned TV. You typically have your display on a TV, and we suggest setting that up through a free, we have a free display app on the Amazon App Store. The easiest way to do that is just on a Amazon Fire TV stick. On our homepage, we have more information on how to get all that set up. But for browser, I'm just going to, and you can have it on your browser as well, which is what I'm going to show you here. And the live information comes on every 3 seconds, so there you go. Now let's let it go through once, and then I'll unfollow the Instagram page so you can see it update live. Okay, so I just scanned that, and it took me to the Instagram page. I pressed unfollow, and there you go. See it changed right before it transitioned. So now let's go through again, and I'll follow it back so you can see it change one more time. Okay, let's follow it back. There you go, live updates. Thanks for watching today.